Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix that the chart is not loading on NinjaTrader. And the solution for this problem can be a lot, but I will show you today some things that you can do to solve this problem. So the first thing that we are going to do is we go right here to Tools and select Database Management. Then right here, what we're going to do is we click right here on roll over. Then we do yes. And most of the time when we click here on roll over instruments, we deleted them. And then right here, we can start with a new list. Then the other thing, what you're going to do or what you can do is it's still not solved. Select right here update. And right now he's updating all the instruments. And then most of the time after this, he will go further. Then right here, when your chart is not loading, what also can be a problem is if you go right here to time, that your time is standing on maybe 1 year, something like that. And that means that when the time is so long, your chart won't tick. Because if you're looking right here to this, and this is maybe a massive example, because sometimes when it's standing on months or 3 months, you see a more wider chart. But right now, if you look right here, the chart is not ticking because he is standing right here on years. Then the other thing that we need to do, that if it's still not working, is reinstall your NinjaTrader. So delete your NinjaTrader right here on your PC. And then after that, reinstall it. And then most of the time, the problem got solved. And then the last step, when it's still not working, restart your PC after doing all those steps. So that is the last step that worked for me. And when your chart is still not working, please comment that down below in the comments so I can help you out right there with your problem. So hopefully one of these problems solved your chart. And then for now, the only thing that I can say is thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.